What's up guys, we're all here to Tech, and Huawei has been one of the few companies that are still offering Android tablets in the market. Earlier this year, they released yet another iteration on their tablet line, the Huawei MatePad 10.4. It packs a 7250 mAh battery with support for fast charging, Kirin A10 CPU, and a decent 10.4-inch panel. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this device. Opening up the box, we are greeted with the tablet itself. Underneath that are its charging brick, USB Type-C cable, user manual and a warranty card, and a 3.5mm to USB Type-C dongle. For buttons and ports situated on the left side when held in landscape orientation are its sleep-wake button and a pair of speakers, while USB Type-C port and another pair of speaker grills are on the right. Micro SD card slot at the bottom and volume rockers and an array of microphone at the top. Situated on the top of the display are its front-facing camera and an LED indicator. The back is made out of a matte textured finish, although it is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. Also found here are its single camera setup coupled with an LED flash and a Huawei branding. The unit we have is in the gray colorway, but it is also available in white. In the hands, given its size, it feels light at 450 grams. It also feels solid and robust, giving it a more rugged feel. On the display side of things, it boasts a 10.4-inch IPS LCD panel at 2000 by 1200 resolution capable of producing 224 ppi, enough for binge-watching contents on Netflix and YouTube. The bezels are quite thick, but it isn't bothersome. It's also got a tall screen real estate, making it comfortable to hold when reading ebooks and script. For performance, it's got a Kirin A10 CPU coupled with a Mali G52 GPU, up to 4GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage, which is also expandable via the micro SD card slot. For cameras, it's got an 8MP rear camera sensor with an LED flash and an 8MP selfie camera. Quality is not excellent, but it will suffice your casual social media postings and Zoom conferences. When it comes to its software, it runs on Android 10 skinned with EMUI 10. No Google Play services here though, but most of the apps you probably need are available on the Huawei App Gallery. For battery, it's got a massive 7250 mAh with support for 18W fast charging. Unfortunately, there's no form of biometrics present, so you'll have to rely on the more traditional way of unlocking this device, which is via passcode. The Huawei MatePad 10.4 is priced at 14,249 pesos for the 4GB of RAM plus 64GB of internal storage with SIM card slot, and 18,999 pesos for the 4GB of RAM plus 128GB of internal storage configuration. The new Huawei MatePads are available in all Huawei concept stores and official Shopee and Lazada flagship stores. So what do you guys think about the Huawei MatePad 10.4? Let us know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.